So we're washing the forces in the living room. This should be fun. Alright, so we washed them down. As you can see, they're a little foggy. So I'm going to polish them using some snap-on polish that we have. And got a snap-on gun with a pad, so I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so we had them polished. You can see there's still some gunk in here. I'm going to work on this first because my snap-on gun stopped working, and then we'll probably try to polish by hand what we can. So I don't know if y'all can see how dirty this one is compared to the shininess of this one. So that's what we're trying to go back through and fix. And then I'm just going to do a clear polish over all this real quick. And then, so we just cleaned the A, but you can see the M's partly dirty and the E and everything. So we're trying to get them all looking like the A. Got them polished, didn't even put them on the truck, and they still don't look the best like they should. So yeah, we'll catch you in a little bit. So it's still a work in progress, but as you can see, this is the ones we're starting at. You can see they're kind of tarnished in here. These are some that I've already done, and you can see they're pretty shiny. Pretty happy with them. I gotta go back and touch this one up a little bit, but this is one Devin did, and I've done these too. So yeah, we're doing good. We're only on wheel number 1 though. Not sure how well y'all can see this or not, but I've cleaned right here and down on the inside, and you can see how shiny that is compared to the dullness of this right here. Still on wheel number 1, but I'll let you know how it goes. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty much almost done with this one. You can see how shiny it is compared to this one's very cloudy over here. Back to the one I just cleaned. Honest, I didn't polish the faceplate, and I haven't polished the outside lip just because I've already been working on the wheel for about 2 hours and I'm only 1 in. So, but you can see how foggy these are. This one I've already wiped down with soap and water and completely wiped it down with a rag. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys right here, and in the next couple of days I should have a video of you showing you all of them, and maybe a little bit better quality for you guys. But anyways, y'all have a great day. Hustle harder.